Looking for an all-inclusive resort in Playa del Carmen that delivers on both value and experience? Let me walk you through everything you need to know about Sandos Playacar, a beachfront property that has been welcoming families and couples to the Riviera Maya for years. This comprehensive review covers every aspect of the resort from the moment you check in until your departure, so you can decide if this is the right choice for your next vacation. When it comes to accommodations, Sandos Playacar offers a variety of room categories designed to suit different traveler needs and budgets. The standard rooms provide comfortable lodging with essential amenities, featuring contemporary decor that reflects the vibrant Mexican-Caribbean atmosphere. These rooms typically include air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, minibars that are restocked regularly, and private bathrooms with shower facilities. Many of the standard rooms offer views of the lush tropical gardens that surround the property, creating a peaceful ambience that helps guests disconnect from their daily routines. For those seeking additional space and upgraded amenities, the resort offers various suite categories that provide extra square footage and enhanced features. Junior suites are perfect for couples wanting a bit more room to spread out, while family suites cater specifically to those traveling with children, offering separate sleeping areas and additional bathroom facilities. Some of the premium room categories include swim-up access, allowing guests to step directly from their terrace into a dedicated pool area, which adds an element of luxury and convenience to the vacation experience. The resort also provides rooms with ocean views where guests can wake up to the sight and sound of the Caribbean Sea, and some accommodations feature private balconies or terraces with hammocks, perfect for afternoon relaxation. Accessible rooms are available for guests with mobility considerations, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the resort comfortably. The rooms are cleaned daily by housekeeping staff, and turn-down service is provided in the evenings in select room categories. Room amenities typically include coffee makers, safes for storing valuables, and adequate storage space for unpacking and settling in for your stay. The bedding is comfortable with quality linens that are changed regularly, and most rooms feature either one king bed or two double beds depending on your preference at booking. The dining scene at Sandos Playacar is one of the resort's strongest features, with multiple restaurants offering diverse culinary experiences throughout your stay. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an extensive selection that changes daily, featuring international dishes alongside Mexican specialties. This is where most guests start their day, with made-to-order eggs, fresh fruit, pastries, and hot dishes that fuel you up for beach time or excursions. Beyond the buffet, the resort operates several specialty restaurants that require reservations, allowing guests to enjoy more intimate dining experiences with focused menus. The Italian restaurant serves classic pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and Mediterranean-inspired entrees in a cozy setting that feels like a traditional trattoria. The Mexican restaurant showcases authentic regional cuisine, from Yucatan specialties to dishes from throughout Mexico, giving guests an opportunity to explore flavors beyond the typical tourist fare. There's also an Asian fusion restaurant that blends flavors from different parts of the continent, offering sushi, stir-fries, and curry dishes that provide a nice change of pace during longer stays. A steakhouse option is available for those craving premium cuts of beef, grilled seafood, and hearty sides, typically featuring an upscale atmosphere perfect for special occasions or romantic dinners. The resort also offers a grill restaurant near the beach, serving casual lunch options like burgers, grilled fish, and salads in a relaxed, open-air environment where you can dine in your swimsuit with sand between your toes. Snack bars are positioned around the property, providing light bites throughout the day, including nachos, hot dogs, and fresh fruit for when you need a little something between meals. When it comes to beverages, the all-inclusive plan covers a wide selection of domestic and international drinks at various bars throughout the resort. The main lobby bar is a popular gathering spot in the evenings, serving cocktails, beer, wine, and non-alcoholic options in a social atmosphere where guests mingle and share stories about their day. Pool bars keep the drinks flowing while you lounge in the sun, with bartenders mixing tropical cocktails, pouring cold beers, and preparing frozen drinks that are perfect for hot Caribbean afternoons. A sports bar offers a more casual vibe, with televisions showing international sporting events, making it a great spot for catching a game while enjoying a drink. The theater bar serves guests before and after evening entertainment shows, and there is typically a disco or nightclub area that stays open late for those wanting to dance and socialize after hours. Coffee and tea are available throughout the day at various locations, and some bars offer premium spirits for an additional charge beyond the standard all-inclusive offerings. The quality of food at the specialty restaurants generally exceeds the buffet, though the buffet provides the most variety and convenience, especially for families with picky eaters. Reservations for specialty restaurants can sometimes be challenging to secure during peak seasons, so it is advisable to book your preferred dining times early in your stay, either online before arrival or immediately upon check-in at the guest services desk. The pool and beach facilities at Sandos Playacar are central to the resort experience, offering multiple aquatic environments for different preferences and age groups. The main pool area is expansive, featuring a large freeform pool with various depths, including shallow areas perfect for young children and deeper sections for swimming and water games. This pool is surrounded by numerous loungers, palapas for shade, and tropical landscaping that creates a lush, resort atmosphere. A separate activities pool hosts water aerobics, pool volleyball, and other organized games led by the animation team throughout the day, keeping energy levels high and providing opportunities for social interaction among guests. For those seeking a quieter experience, there is typically an adults-only pool area that maintains a more tranquil atmosphere, free from the splashing and noise of family activities, where guests can read, nap, or simply float in peace. Some sections of the resort feature swim-up pool areas connected to certain room categories, offering convenient access for those who booked these premium accommodations. The pool bars are strategically positioned so you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink, with bartenders serving directly to guests lounging in the pool or sitting on submerged stools at the swim-up bar. Pool towels are provided and can be exchanged throughout the day at designated towel stations, eliminating the need to bring your own or use your room towels at the pool. The beach at Sandos Playacar is one of the resort's most attractive features, with direct access to a beautiful stretch of white sand Caribbean coastline. The beach area includes plenty of loungers and palapas, though arriving early is recommended during peak season to secure prime spots close to the water. The water itself is typically calm and clear, with that stunning turquoise color the Caribbean is famous for, making it ideal for swimming, floating, and wading. Beach vendors occasionally walk by offering souvenirs, hair braiding, and other services, though they are generally respectful if you decline. The resort provides some non-motorized water sports equipment, which may include kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, allowing guests to explore the coastal waters without additional charges. The beach and pool areas are patrolled by lifeguards during daylight hours, adding a layer of safety, especially for families with children. Evening beach walks are popular among couples as the sunset views can be spectacular, painting the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple. The beachfront is also where some of the resort's evening entertainment takes place, including fire shows and beach parties that add excitement to the nighttime atmosphere. Overall, whether you prefer the controlled environment of the pools or the natural beauty of the Caribbean Sea, Sandos Playacar provides ample aquatic options to keep you cool and entertained throughout your vacation. Beyond swimming and sunbathing, Sandos Playacar offers a wide range of activities designed to keep guests engaged and entertained throughout their stay. The resort features a fitness center equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and exercise equipment for those who want to maintain their workout routines while on vacation. Group fitness classes are often scheduled throughout the week, including options like beach yoga, water aerobics, aqua zumba, and stretching sessions that cater to various fitness levels. Sports facilities typically include tennis courts, beach volleyball courts, and sometimes soccer fields or basketball courts where guests can organize friendly games or join scheduled tournaments. The animation team plays a significant role in the activity offerings, organizing daily programs that range from dance lessons to Spanish classes, cocktail-making demonstrations, and craft activities. These activities are posted on a daily schedule, usually available at the lobby or in your room, allowing you to plan your days according to your interests. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, the concierge desk can arrange excursions to nearby attractions, cenotes for swimming and snorkeling, Mayan ruins for history enthusiasts, and adventure parks offering ziplining, cave exploration, and wildlife encounters. Snorkeling trips to coral reefs are particularly popular, giving guests the chance to see colorful tropical fish and marine life in their natural habitat. Evening entertainment is a highlight at Sandos Playacar, with nightly shows in the main theater featuring everything from live music and dance performances to comedy acts and themed parties. The quality of entertainment varies, but the shows generally provide enjoyable family-friendly options that round out the vacation experience. A disco or nightclub area typically opens after the main shows, offering a space for adults to dance and socialize into the late hours. For those preferring quieter evenings, the beach provides a peaceful setting for stargazing and listening to the waves, or you can enjoy a nightcap at one of the bars while reflecting on the day's adventures. Some guests also enjoy the simple pleasure of relaxing on their balcony or terrace, taking in the tropical sounds and warm evening breezes. The variety of activities ensures that whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, social interaction, or cultural experiences, there are options available to suit your vacation style. The spa and wellness facilities at Sandos Playacar provide opportunities for guests to indulge in relaxation and self-care during their vacation. The spa typically offers a menu of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and beauty services designed to rejuvenate and refresh. Massage options often range from traditional Swedish and deep tissue techniques to hot stone therapy and aromatherapy sessions that incorporate essential oils for enhanced relaxation. Couples massages are available for those wanting to share the spa experience with their partner, conducted in private treatment rooms with side-by-side tables. Facials use quality products to cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate the skin, which can be especially beneficial after days spent in the sun and salt water. Body treatments may include exfoliating scrubs, detoxifying wraps, and moisturizing therapies that leave skin feeling soft and renewed. The spa environment is designed to be tranquil and calming, with soft music, dim lighting, and comfortable treatment rooms that encourage complete relaxation. Many spa services require advance booking and come with additional charges beyond the all-inclusive package, so it is advisable to schedule your preferred treatments early in your stay to ensure availability. Some resorts in this category also offer hydrotherapy circuits with features like saunas, steam rooms, hot tubs, and cold plunge pools that guests can use before or after their treatments, though specific amenities vary by property. Wellness activities such as yoga and meditation classes are sometimes offered on the beach or in dedicated spaces, providing opportunities to center yourself and reduce stress in beautiful natural settings. The fitness center complements the spa offerings, allowing guests to maintain balanced wellness routines that include both physical activity and relaxation. Hair and nail services are typically available at the spa or salon, convenient for guests wanting to look their best for special dinners or events. While spa services represent an additional expense, many guests find them worthwhile for enhancing their vacation experience and returning home feeling truly refreshed. The combination of professional treatments, quality products, and serene atmosphere makes the spa a popular choice for special occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, or simply as a well-deserved treat during your getaway. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.